Once you try these fish sauce chicken wings, you won't go back. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that you can make for any party.
媽咪嘢食飯，媽咪爹哋食飯，ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is one where you'll get your fingers sticky with sauce, but it's all part of the experience. To start, marinate 1 kilo of chicken wings with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything until well combined, then let it marinate for a minimum of 20 minutes. Meanwhile, finely chop 8 cloves of garlic and set it aside. You can also slice 3 red shallots and 1 sprig of spring onion. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Now heat up a pan and pour in 2 tablespoons of oil. When hot, turn down the heat to low-medium and add the chopped garlic in. Let it slowly cook until it turns golden brown, then transfer it into a dish. After the marinating, combine half a cup of cornstarch with half a teaspoon of baking powder in a bag. Put the wings into the bag and give it a shake until all the pieces are covered in the starch mixture. Place the chicken in a colander to shake off any excess starch. To fry the wings, pour enough oil in a pot to come up to half each piece. When hot, add a few pieces in at a time to cook for 5 minutes on each side. Transfer them into a sieve to drain any excess oil. When all the wings are done, put them all back in for a double fry for another 2 minutes. Then put them into a bowl as you make the sauce. Using a mortar and pestle, pound together 4 chilies and 2 garlic cloves. Make sure they're well combined. In a separate pan, pour in 4 tablespoons of oil on high heat. Lower the heat to low and add the red shallots in to cook for 30 seconds. Now add in 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the garlic and chili paste, and 4 tablespoons of water. Stir to combine, then simmer for 15 minutes or until thick. Then mix in the 3 tablespoons of lime juice and the chopped spring onions. Pour the sauce over the fried wings along with the browned garlic and mix everything until well combined. And there you have it, our family's finger-licking fish sauce chicken wings. The first time I made them for my friends, it quickly became a party favourite. For an experience you won't forget, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Double or triple fry the wings. This will keep it crispy for longer. Number 2. Cover with cornstarch a bit at a time. Number 3. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice at a time. Every lime will be different, so taste to preference. This is the recipe that your friends will be asking you to make over and over again. When they experience the crunch for the first time, they'll fall in love just as you did. For more party favourites, like and subscribe to our channel. If you're wondering what else we always have at parties, check out Auntie Lay's Vietnamese sticky rice pudding with black-eyed peas. See you in the next video!